Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Shell credit card online. Shell is a global group of energy companies. It also issues credit card for its users. To log in to Shell credit card online, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in login Shell credit card, then press on enter. Now here you'll be able to find different Google searches relating to login of Shell credit card. As Shell credit card is issued by Citibank, here you'll be able to find the website of Citibank. Now on the different search results, you'll be able to find Shell credit card login or apply option. You need to click on the given search result. With this, you'll be taken to login page of Shell credit card. Now here you can see sign on box on the left side. You need to first enter your user ID on the given box. Now if you want your user ID to be remembered, then click on remember my user ID. If you are using a public computer, then for security reasons, you can skip this process. After this, you need to enter the correct password of your Shell credit card. After this, if you don't remember your user ID, then you can click on Retrieve User ID option and continue with the further process of finding your user ID. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, click on Reset Password option and continue with the further process of creating your password. After entering all your login credentials, click on Sign On box. With this, now you'll be logged into your Shell credit card online. This is how we can log in to Shell credit card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.